mechatronics, the combination of robotics, electronics, computer, and control systems has resulted in a variety of amazing products from smartphones to self-driving cars. In order to create those products, they need to be digitally modeled and developed. SOLIDWORKS, a solid modeling computer-aided design and computer-aided engineering program, is one of the most popular software options for mechatronics engineers. SOLIDWORKS was developed by MIT graduate John Hirschtick and was bought by Dassault Systems in 1997. The software now encompasses a number of programs that can be used for both 2D and 3D design and enormous functionalities. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe. SOLIDWORKS, the #1 engineering design software with a market of 18% in its pocket. Let's get into the topic. SOLIDWORKS is used to develop mechatronics systems from beginning to end. At the initial stage, the software is used for planning, visual ideation, modeling, feasibility assessment, prototyping, and project management. The software is then used for design and building of mechanical, electrical, and software elements. Finally, the software can be used for management, including device management, analytics, data automation, and cloud services. It is now transformed into a 3D experience platform with integrated products for the feasibility. SOLIDWORKS is used by millions of designers and engineers at hundreds of thousands of companies. It's one of the most popular design and engineering software on the market. Known for its range of features and high functionality, SOLIDWORKS is used across multiple professions and industries around the world. SOLIDWORKS uses parametric design, which is why it's such an effective tool for designers and engineers. This means that the designer can see how changes will affect its neighboring components, or even the overall solution. For example, if the size of a single component is increased, this would affect the joint or hole it's attached to. This allows designers to spot and correct issues quickly and easily. SOLIDWORKS features: simple but sophisticated 3D CAD design. Use templates and the CAD library for improved efficiency. Automation and design reuse to speed up the process. Cost estimation tools allow you to keep track in real time. Ensure potential risks are caught early with interference check. Quickly produce 2D drawings for production. Easily create animations and photorealistic renderings. Professions and industries benefit from SOLIDWORKS. Industries: aerospace and defense, consumer packaged goods, life sciences, transport and mobility, energy, process and utilities. Professions: mechanical engineers, product engineers, designers, drafters, planners, artists and graphical illustrators, architects, electrical engineers, process and piping engineers P&ID. What can SOLIDWORKS do? As mentioned above, SOLIDWORKS is a parametric CAD program, which is easy to use and highly efficient. That makes it a favorite for both students and experienced designers. As with most software, familiarizing yourself with the buttons, names, and user interface can take some time. However, there are some great, unique functions to aid new users in this process and optimize for the best user experience. And there are many helpful tutorials available that offer great insight and an introduction to the design process. Rendering. SOLIDWORKS Visualize allows designers to create presentation-ready, photorealistic renderings. CAD files can be opened directly in SOLIDWORKS and rendered using accurate textures, reflections, and lighting. This is a powerful feature used by most designers but is particularly useful for product designers as it allows them to demonstrate their final concept before going into production. SOLIDWORKS simulation. SOLIDWORKS simulation allows designers to put their designs to the test and quickly and accurately identify any flaws. The designer will be provided with highly accurate data, which means they can make changes to the design before a physical prototype is produced. Mechanical engineers can save a lot of time, money, and effort by identifying issues with their designs early in the process. Intricate evaluation. The Drawings tool allows a designer to quickly create 2D representations of any aspect of a design, with the option to add dimensions with the click of a button. This is useful for designers, engineers, and architects, offering the ability for a thorough evaluation. Manufacture with ease. Once the design is complete, and the designer has eliminated potential risks identified in the simulation and evaluation, a prototype can be made. SOLIDWORKS CAM produces the design files that can be sent straight to production. The software also includes a searchable database of 3D printers generating 2D slice data from solid geometry, while the 3D Experience Marketplace enables you to outsource prototype and part manufacturing from right inside the UI user interface. Which version of SOLIDWORKS do you need? There are 3 available versions, and it's important to consider each version before making your purchase. SOLIDWORKS Standard. This is usually the first version of SOLIDWORKS those new to the software will use. It doesn't include some of the features of the other 2 versions and focuses on core features such as parts, assemblies, and drawings. However, Standard still provides plenty of useful features that improve the designer's experience. Standard includes add-ins such as FeatureWorks, Simulation Express, Interference Detection, 3D Interconnect, Treehouse, and Weldments. Each of these features helps designers improve their designs and speed up the process. SOLIDWORKS Professional. SOLIDWORKS Professional includes all the same features that come with Standard, but with many additions that mean experienced designers can increase productivity and efficiency. Features included in Professional include Costing, Toolbox, Tool Analyst, Design Checker, Task Checker, and CircuitWorks. There's also Visualize and PhotoView 360, which are both invaluable for product designers. SOLIDWORKS Premium. Included in Premium are all the features from Standard and Professional, as well as additional add-ins including simulation, routing, and kinematic and dynamic motion simulation. We recommend Premium for mechanical engineers as simulation tools can speed up the design and prototyping process. What are the main advantages of SOLIDWORKS? While there are some potential disadvantages, the advantages of SOLIDWORKS by far outweigh any issues that a user may encounter. Below are just some of the main advantages of using SOLIDWORKS. Easy to learn. The biggest stumbling block new SOLIDWORKS users have is learning a brand new interface. However, there are SOLIDWORKS tutorials available to guide you through the interface, meaning those experienced with CAD and CAE should have no problems getting to grips with it. SOLIDWORKS helps new users by not throwing too much at them all at once, and has plenty of educational aids to allow learners to go at their own pace. Technia offers a range of SOLIDWORKS support training for both experienced and new designers. Learn the basic features. One of the quickest ways to get to grips with SOLIDWORKS is by using some of its basic features first. For example, create a sketch that you can then convert into a 3D model with Boss Extrude. You can then try revolving your 3D design around a center line, and easily create a hole through the center using the Hole Wizard. SOLIDWORKS has a unique, open, and free user community online. In addition to this, any feature or complex processes are very well explained on YouTube. Check out some of our SOLIDWORKS tutorials, or see below for more information on further support. Learn to use SOLIDWORKS. Tutorials and guides can be useful for learning the basics. However, to ensure you're getting the most out of the software, it's recommended that you explore additional SOLIDWORKS training and support. Product data management. SOLIDWORKS Product Data Management (PDM) stores your designs, engineering data, and files in one central location. This allows you to retrieve files and data quickly, prevent data loss, monitor versions and track changes, integrate workflows, reduce time spent searching for drawings, parts, and assemblies, increase efficiency and encourage design reuse, the ability to share and collaborate. With a multi-user environment, multiple collaborators can access a design file at the same time with 3D experience. This means teams can make and track changes, view statuses, and revisions all from within the SOLIDWORKS platform. 3D experience makes remote collaboration quick and simple, which is especially useful as more people turn to hybrid and remote working. Easily package designs in 2D and 3D formats. SOLIDWORKS makes it quick and simple to share designs in 2D or 3D formats, meaning you can get instant feedback and continue to work on your designs. Designs can even be shared as 3D animations, which allows you to accurately demonstrate new products and features. Automation made easy. Save time, money, and energy by allowing SOLIDWORKS to automate part of the process. SOLIDWORKS can automate dimensioning of 3D CAD models, set certain rules and parameters to speed up duplication for creating design variations. Detect potential issues early. SOLIDWORKS can detect potential flaws in your design, telling you if there will be stress, vibration, deflection, or other issues. Because SOLIDWORKS can detect these early in the design process, it allows you to make adjustments and corrections before moving on to the prototype phase. Motion analysis. Check how your design shape, size, and materials cope against certain forces, such as weight and friction. SOLIDWORKS will even offer suggestions as to how you can improve your design to make it more efficient. With the advantages and disadvantages of SOLIDWORKS considered, it's clear that there are far more advantages to using this incredible software than there are disadvantages.